Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage audience targeting with AdRoll, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your AdRoll account. Once logged in, navigate to the Audiences section on the dashboard. Here, you will see options for creating and managing your audience segments. Click on Create Audience to start a new audience targeting setup. You will be prompted to select the type of audience you want to create. Choose between options like website visitors, email lists, or custom segments. For website visitors, select the criteria for targeting behavior, such as page views or time spent on the site. If using an email list, upload your CSV file containing your contacts. Make sure your data is formatted correctly for AdRoll to process it smoothly. After selecting your audience type, provide a name for your audience segment. This helps you easily identify it later on. Next, set the rules for your audience targeting. Define parameters, like demographic information or specific actions taken on your site. Once you've set the targeting criteria, review your audience settings for accuracy. When everything looks correct, click Save to finalize your audience creation. Your audience will now populate, and you can start using it in your campaigns. To manage existing audiences, simply return to the Audiences section. Click on any audience segment to edit or analyze its performance. You can refine targeting as needed based on campaign results and analytics. Remember to regularly update your audience segments to reflect changes in your marketing strategy. By effectively managing audience targeting, you'll optimize your AdRoll campaigns for better results. Now, you're ready to start reaching your desired audience with precision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.